sad news involving Voyager Digital, and this also has to do with a bit on the stock market side. So what is the latest going on here? Before we get into that, I just want to let you know, as usual, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right on into the news. I will be providing links to these articles in the description. This one here from CoinSpeaker, it says Voyager Digital stock down 42.24% as firm suspends core activities. Voyager Digital has had a very rough year, and this is reflected in both the performance of its stock and token prices. The shares of crypto services platform Voyager Digital Holdings Limited is seeing a very massive downturn in the aftermath of its earlier announcement that it was suspending its core activities, including deposits and withdrawals for its users. At the time of writing, the shares of Voyager Digital had plunged by 42.24% to CAD 0.34. This is one of its major daily falls in the past month and a very unhealthy way to start the second half of the year. Voyager Digital has had a very rough year, and this is reflected in both the performance of its stock and token prices. While investors are generally cautious to place bets considering the broader bearish sentiment that has engulfed the market, the sell-offs in the price of Voyager Digital stem from the negative press about the firm per its connections to highly troubled crypto firms. Through the Voyager platform, users can buy, sell, and earn rewards on crypto assets, all coming as a commission-free trading offer. Voyager Digital, as well as other platforms like Robinhood Markets that offer commission-free trading, are very popular in the digital currency world. Voyager Digital in distress. The plunge in the prices of digital currencies has placed Voyager in a very unpleasant position, one that has affected its bottom line across the board. While it first started facing liquidity issues earlier in June, its woes became compounded when its debtor, Three Arrows Capital, one of the biggest hedge funds in the space, defaulted in repaying its $650 million loans. Voyager Digital issued a notice of default to Three Arrow Capital last month as it unveiled that it was working with the company's lawyers in order to draw up a plan that can help in recovering the funds. There is no idea whether this will be possible, as a court in the British Virgin Islands ordered the liquidation of Three Arrow Capital, a move that was followed by the filing of Chapter 15 bankruptcy by the embattled hedge fund to protect its holdings in the United States. It is unclear how deep Voyager's finances are affected at this time, but with the prices of crypto assets still on a rapid decline, it can be predicted that the firm is not out of the woods yet. As part of its efforts to get back on its feet, Voyager Digital received a $200 million capital injection in the form of a credit facility from Alameda Ventures. While Voyager's shares are trading at a massive deviation from its all-time high, the token VGX is not faring any better, as it has dropped 91.9% in the year-to-date period, while trading at a price of 0.24 cents respectively, down 18.57% in the past week. The token now has a market capitalization of $68.51 million at the time of writing. This token valuation notably exceeds the 65.65 million Canadian dollars that the company's equity is worth at this time. We have one other article with updates here as well, this coming from Seeking Alpha. UCO, I hope I pronounced that correctly, stock drops as Voyager Digital halts trading. UCO stock dropped 17% on Tuesday after the firm said its revenue will likely be affected by Voyager Digital's suspension of trading, deposits, withdrawals, and loyalty rewards. UCO expects to continue processing transactions as requested by Voyager, but due to the temporary suspension, ACH volume of transactions UCO processes for Voyager will be impacted unless Voyager resumes full operations. Voyager accounted for 8% of UCO's total revenue for 2021 and 8% of its revenue from January 1st through May 31st in 2022. UCO's 2022 outlook assumed only $1 million in revenue from Voyager's prepaid card program services for 2022. Through May 31st, revenues from the prepaid card services were $670,000. So the impact of a slowdown or end to this prepaid card program on UCO's bottom line is projected to be minimal. UCO reiterated its 2022 revenue guidance but widened the range to 16 to 20% year-over-year growth. The firm expects to replace any potential revenue shortfall from suspended Voyager processing with new PayFac relationships. UCO also has over $15 million in potential card spoilage revenue expected to be recognized starting September and will continue to the following 12 to 18 months. UCO expects to report both sequential and year-over-year growth in ACH returned check processing for quarter 2. Sequential growth is projected in total ACH transactions processed. That is the latest information I have for you guys on Voyager Digital. Now, aside from that, I do want to let you know I have an NFT series that is in partnership with several different crypto projects. These are official partnerships, and this NFT series will provide passive income to the NFT holder through these partnerships. We have additional utilities. We got a lot of things planned, giveaways, etc. There's actually a giveaway going on right now. You have a chance to go ahead and enter in to receive one of these NFTs for free. The minted price we will be having this go up will be $500. So it's a $500 mint value price of an NFT that you'll be able to receive. And guys, to enter into that, you're going to be able to go ahead and click on the link down in the comments below. If you want to learn more about this project, you can go check us out over on Twitter. We are at Team Eco Warriors. We have a website, teamecowarriors.com, and the Discord link is also on our Twitter side. Thank you very much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Velimir Brockovich, We Love SafeMoon.com, Mured Shaker, Victor Vegas, and SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you also to my YouTube members for your guys' support. And if you guys want to check out a crypto exchange that has a massive catalog of cryptos, go check out MEXC. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. There is the link down in the down in the description below. And if you use my link, you can actually save 10% on your trades. You can also qualify potentially for a $25 airdrop in SafeMoon, as well as a giveaway that's $1,000. So you guys can find out more information in the description there. That's all I got for you today. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and I will see you in the next episode.